In this video, I'm going to show you how you can acquire the API key from your ElevenLabs account, and it is actually quite simple. So let's navigate to ElevenLabs.io and then click login, and you can log in with your account. And after that, you can click this My Account menu and then navigate to API keys and click Create API key. And by default, ElevenLabs will give you some random name, but feel free to change it as you wish. And also, you have the option to give access to the API key about the things that it can do. ElevenLabs has multiple features like text-to-speech, speech-to-speech or speech-to-text, and many other features. And it is up to you which features that you want to enable for this particular API key. For example, if you are creating an app or website to remove noise in the background, that you might want to just enable or give access to audio isolation. Or if you want to create an app for text-to-speech, then just give access to text-to-speech. But you can also just enable everything. If you want to just disable this option and everything will be enabled. Now, technically, it is not the best practice, because if your API key got leaked, then people could basically abuse it. People could use it for any purposes in ElevenLabs, which is not ideal, and you are going to pay for it. It could be very expensive if your API key got leaked. But again, I'm going to disable it for now, and I will show you one example when you enable the restriction option. Anyway, let's continue creating the API key. And again, you can change the name, but I'm not going to change it. Click Create. And there you go. So this is the API key. You can click this copy button and you can paste it into your application. For this example, I just created this ElevenLabs text-to-speech application using Perplexity, and if you are interested to create something like that, you can copy this prompt and create the application via Perplexity Labs. Anyway, I'm going to paste the API key right here, and I guess I'm going to test it to make sure that it is working. Okay, the API key is valid. Now I'm going to select the model. Let's say multilingual version 2. The voice would be Liam. Yeah, Liam is my favorite. And the preset would be professional, and this is the text that I could convert. So let's try something like subscribe to, let's say, this channel. 26 characters in total. And by the way, if you are wondering what is the cost, well, the cost will be based on the characters. So this will be counted against the number, the amount of characters on your account. So if you click accounts right here, remember that I have this number 100 something. Basically, this number will change if I create text-to-speech using this app. So let me give you a quick example. And remember, this is the number 957. That's the end. I'm going to create audio from this and click this button. Okay.
Subscribe to this channel.
Okay, now let's go back. Oh, sorry about that. If I refresh the page, you'll see that the number would be different. Or maybe not, it hasn't registered yet, but usually it will be counted against the number of credits that you have on your ElevenLabs account. So it might take quite a while until the number will actually reflect on your account, but usually it is less than a minute. Okay, so the number has changed here, the remaining, you can see it's not the same anymore, and that I can confirm. And also, you can disable the API key if you want to. You can also enable it back, and you can also just delete the API key if you don't need it anymore. But let's do the demonstration if you are just restricting the API key for a specific use case. So in this example, I tried I tried it on the text-to-speech app. But if I disable the access, like there is no access for text-to-speech, you'll see that it's not going to work. If I try it again to generate the audio, it will give me this error message, basically telling me that I cannot use it. The API key is missing or something, but basically it doesn't work. And if I go back again, if I enable the setting, let's say give access to text-to-speech, you'll see that now it's going to work. And it's very, very quick. It's pretty instant, basically. And there you go.
Subscribe to this channel.
So that's basically from me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.